So if you're starting to notice a bit of a smell coming up through your sink and things like that, or you're starting to notice water spilling out into your garden, it could be due to having a blocked gully. So the first thing you'd want to look at and notice is a build-up of water inside of your gully. If it's going up and not going back down again, then that could be a sign of a blockage. So the first thing you want to do is you want to reach down or use your screwdriver to pry up the grate and lift that out. So most of the time, if you just clean the grate up like that, then it will just clear the blockage. But if it's still piled up, there might just be something just sat inside. Right, once you've cleared everything out that's sat inside of the gully, you'll notice that the water level will drop back down. You are meant to have a tiny bit of water just in the bottom. That's called your trap seal. It stops the smells coming up. So that looks normal. But if you run some water down into the drain and make sure that the level keeps staying the same, then that's how you know that you've unblocked it.